last lesson is on file specification, right? Or file management, right? This is where you save things inside your computer. And basically, it always goes like this. The first thing is the drive, right? Which is denoted by a letter, drive letter like this, right? Then you will have a folder. Of course, you can save your file straight in the drive, but it's not advisable because then you'll have too many things, right? Usually we have lots of things. So we have folders to help us manage. Some people choose to have subfolders, some people do not. You put it straight inside the folder, that works as well. Some people have subfolders, subfolders, that works as well, right? But in this particular case, I put subfolder in red because you can see it's optional somewhat. And then we have the file itself, file, followed by the extension, right? So all file or file names are divided into two parts. One is the file name itself, one is the extension, right? And while the file name is something you choose yourself, the extension is usually indicative of what kind of software you use to create that file. For example, here is a software created using Word 2007 or 2010 or 2013, for example, right? Because it's DOCX. Now, all software, for example, Microsoft Word, all software will have a native file format. Meaning the kind of file that is most likely will be created using that particular software. Meaning when you use Word, you can save as a website, which is .html, right? Or an Adobe Acrobat, which is .pdf, right? Or you can save it, if you don't indicate what you want to save it as, meaning you just click on the floppy disk icon, you'll just save it inside as DOC or DOCX. This is the native file format, right? Meaning once you click on save or save as, there will be a pop-up box, dialog box, save as, right? So it will indicate that it will be saved as DOCX unless you say otherwise. That's one thing. Another is when you want to open files, you go to a certain folder or drive, chances are only DOCX files will be shown, right? So that is a native file format. A file format which is native to a certain application, in which when you want to save, the default will be the native file format.